客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Ho, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. Jingle all the way. Merry Christmas to you.
聖誕節快樂。
我們今天就來教這個啦。
好啊。
How do you say Christmas in Hakka?
聖誕節。
聖誕節 very easy. OK, 那12月路上呢都充滿聖誕節的氛圍 right? In December, the streets are full with holiday spirits.
12月路行有黏黏嘅。
12月路行有黏黏嘅。
聖誕節氣氛。
聖誕節氣氛 Okay, that is a Christmas spirit filled up on the streets. Very nice. 那聖誕節那天呢，我們應該要玩什麼？
交換禮物，
要不要？
好。
Okay, let's do that and teach you how to say that on Christmas. Let's do a gift exchange.
聖誕節嘅日，
聖誕節嘅日，
你來個禮物交換。
你來交禮物交換。That means a gift exchange. Love it. Let's review these terms so you remember it for Christmas, including Christmas, 聖誕節。
聖誕節。
聖誕節。And then you have to have your gift exchange. 禮物叫做
禮物。
禮物 that's the gift. Exchange 交換。
交換。
交換 And there you have it. Another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
師母大家
Merry Christmas. 俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.